Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best vegetable storage solution on the market, the Gsiekare 5-tier stackable fruit and vegetable basket with wheels. If you've been struggling with organizing your kitchen or pantry space, this might just be the perfect answer for you. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is its sturdy construction. The entire basket system is made from durable metal wire coated with anti-rust paint, ensuring long-lasting use even in humid environments like kitchens and bathrooms. It also features a beautiful wooden top that's not only stylish but functional, offering you an extra surface to place kitchen items or keep dust away from your stored produce. The design is smart and space-saving. With 5 tiers stacked vertically, it offers ample room for fruits, vegetables, snacks, and even other household essentials without taking up too much floor space. The baskets are detachable, allowing you to customize the height or use fewer tiers depending on your storage needs. This flexibility is ideal for any kitchen layout, big or small. Mobility is a big plus here. The basket comes with 4 smooth rolling wheels that allow you to move it effortlessly wherever you need it. When you want it to stay put, simply lock the wheels in place for stability. Additionally, there are adjustable non-slip feet to keep the basket steady on uneven surfaces, which makes it very versatile for different floor types. Assembly couldn't be simpler. There's no need for complicated tools or drilling. The baskets connect through secure snaps, making it quick to put together and easy to disassemble if needed. This also means it's portable and easy to clean, a feature many storage solutions miss. The Gsiekare basket is designed with ventilation in mind. The open metal wire construction lets air circulate around your fruits and vegetables, which helps keep them fresh longer compared to enclosed plastic bins or containers. The generous dimensions, measuring about 15.7 inches deep by 11.8 inches wide and 37 inches high, provide plenty of space without overwhelming your kitchen. Whether you want to organize fresh produce, snacks, baby items, or even bathroom essentials, this basket is multifunctional. It fits nicely into kitchens, pantries, laundry rooms, or even living rooms, making it a versatile addition to your home storage. Overall, the Gsiekare 5-tier stackable fruit and vegetable basket stands out for its combination of sturdy build, practical design, mobility, and extra storage space. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish way to keep your fruits and veggies organized and easily accessible, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.